So, hello everyone. Today we're going to do the laboratory 48 STP, or stands for spanning tree protocol, and we have here the topology and the questions na need nating masagutan. So, the first question here is, what is the current default STP version running on the switches? So, punta tayo dito sa command line niya for switch 1. And, yan. So, here. We have PVST mode. So, stands for per VLAN spanning tree class. So, yan yung default or yan yung STP version ng switch 1. While I think the switch 2 also show spanning. So yan, kita naman. So I think the switch 3 is also PVST mode. So yan, sagutan lang natin to. It's PVST. And the next question is, what is the bridge ID for each switch? So yung bridge ID na nito is nagko-consist siya ng bridge priority, and may default din yon, which is 32768 and MAC address. So para ma-determine natin what's the exact BID or bridge ID, pwede nating i-like at same lang din kanina. So, here. So, yan. Makikita na natin yung bridge ID. So, ganun lang din. And, para makita naman natin yung root bridge for each VLAN, makikita na rin natin dito. Ito, yan, sa mga VLAN. So, each VLAN, we have 1, 2, and 3. 10, 20, and 30. So, in 10, meron tayong this one and here. Yan. So, the next question here, pinapakita yung switch 1 kasi actually, natapos ko na rin to before ako mag-record, and actually nakapag-record na ako na demo and such. Unfortunately, wala siyang sound, so inuulit ko siya. So, technically, yung dalawang switch, same lang sila. So, yung STP cost ng each, STP cost of each interface is here. We have 19 and 4. Here. So, yan. And, sabi niya dito, which interface is black? So, since nandito na rin naman na tayo, ito, yan. Yan, it's actually black. And this one, yan. Actually, pag nandun kayo sa STP election, if I'm not mistaken, yeah, makikita nyo yung mga alternate or black interface. So, yan, ito. Nakikita naman dito. So, sabi niya dyan, yung version ng STP, ito, change spanning tree mode on each switches to RPVST. So, to do that, magpupunta tayo sa config and So, yan. So, exit tayo dito and try nating wait lang. Sum na lang para madali. Yan. So, yan. It's RPVST mode na siya. So, same lang. Ganun lang din yung gagawin natin. I don't know kung mapa na ba. Nakailang seconds na ba tayo? 5 minutes pa lang tayo. So, ganun lang din yung gagawin natin sa switch 1 and 2. So, sige. Gawin na lang natin para makita natin. Config terminal. Spanning tree mode. PVST. Yan. So, exit tayo dito para makita natin. Yeah. I think we're done. May switch 3 pa pala. Same lang siya nang gagawin. Like, as in, same lang. Yeah. So, I think nagawa na natin to number 2. So, number 3 na tayo. Make the following configuration. So, ito, it's like, parang, lang siya. Parang mas madali. Hindi naman siya sobrang dali, pero mas madali, pero medyo matrabaho lang. So, first, ang gagawin natin, yung root primary, and then, root secondary. So, as you can see dyan, sinabi niya na yung VLAN 10, root ng primary root is switch 1 and secondary root siya ng switch 2. Parang pababa, pataas. So, to do that, VLAN 10 root primary. So, VLAN 20. Sorry. Tapos, secondary tayo ng 30. VLAN 30 root secondary. Yan. Tapos, same lang din ang gagawin sa dalawang switch. So, VLAN 10 root secondary. Secondary siya. Tapos, VLAN 20. VLAN 20 root primary. So, sa switch 3, meron tayo dito VLAN 30 root primary and 20 root secondary. So, yan. Nagawa na natin. So, yung next is, so, since tapos na, nailagay na natin, number 4 na tayo, which is enable port fast and VPD port on appropriate interfaces. So, dito tayo sa interface range FA 0/1 to 3. Sorry, interface. Mali yung spell ko. Sorry. Mali lang yung 10, yeah. And yan, tapos BPDU guard enable. Yeah. Okay, tapos na tayo dito. Check ko lang, wala pa naman siyang 12 minutes. So, same lang din ang ginawa natin. It's interface range FA 3 PDU guard with number 3 interface range FA 001 to 3 spanning through fourth class BPDU guard enable. So, yan. Kung gusto nyong tignan yung result, show spanning history nyo lang para makita nyo yung output niya. So, makikita nyo dito yung output na ginawa nyo. So, yan. Yeah. I think we're done here. So, yan lang. Bye-bye.